Hello, hello. So today we are going to talk about Snap 2025, analytical reasoning, coding, decoding. So basically, are we going to get question on coding, decoding? Yes. In Snap, it is important for Snap. It is also important for NMAT, and it is important for more or less every exam apart from CAT and XAT. So let's see what kind of questions we can see. Now, the first question is table can be written as this, twice can be written as what? So, first of all, when we talk about coding and decoding, always remember that the first thing you are supposed to do is to write corresponding numbers. So, T is 20, A is 1, B is 2, L is 12, E is 5. Now, what do we have? We have P, W, X, H, and A. Now, what is P? P is 16. What is W? W is 23. What is X? X is what? 24. Okay. What is H? H is what? H is going to be um, 8, and this is 5. Okay. Now, what we can see? Uh, it can be written as it is -4. Okay. What can I say about this? This is again -4, 4 letters before it. It is again -4, 4 letters before it. So everything is going 4 letters back. Gaurav, it's a tough luck. I got slot 3. Now T, 4 letters before what I'm going to get, I'm going to get P. Right, so P and P. This is rejected. This is also rejected. W, 4 letters back. I don't know. I'm not going to calculate it. E, 4 letters back, what I'm going to get, that is A. So my answer of this question is directly going to be option C. I don't need to check. I need to check only 2 alphabets, T and E. So T is eliminating 3 options and E is eliminating the last option. So answer is directly this. Remember this, whenever you are solving the questions of coding, decoding, keep on reading options again, so that after every step you will be able to eliminate at least one option, so that in while you are solving and getting values of 2 and 3, you are going to eliminate 2 3 options. You don't have to calculate everything. Now this one, nose is written as this, sand is written as this, how done is written as. Okay, so what is n represents multiplication. In this, what is n represents multiplication. Okay, so what is n must represent multiplication. So that can only be either option A or C. So these 2 options are gone. Okay, now first value is different in option A and C. So D is what? D is this big triangle. So D is this big triangle. So answer of this question is going to be C. So A, B, and D are eliminated. So this is how you can get the answer very quickly. Your job is not to make the complete arrangement and then get the answer. Your job is to eliminate the options and get the answer. This one. Next one. In a coded language, target is coded as this. William will be coded as what? What is T? T is 20. What is A? 1. What is T? 20. If you look at the arrangement, 21, last is 20, E is what? 5. So basically, they have just written their corresponding numbers over here. That's it. They didn't do anything else. Right. Now I want to solve this question quickly. How can I do that? So what is the approach I'm going to take? W, every option has 23. I, every option has 9. L, every option has 12. Then L, every option doesn't have 12. So this option C is eliminated. Then I, it is next is going to be what? 9. So every option has 9. So it doesn't make a sense to us, right? Now U is going to be what? U is going to be 21. Now that is there only in the option 1. So this all three options are eliminated. I got my answer. That is option A. So this is the standard approach. Your job is not to get the answer. You are not supposed to write everything. That you are going to write W, you are writing I, you are writing L. No, no, no. Just see what are the values. If all the options have some common values, don't even check those values. This one. So how we are going to solve this? Some random values are given. 180. This is not a very huge number. 180 is a multiple of 3. It is also a multiple of 6. It is also a multiple of 5. It is also a multiple. So 36 is, I'm writing 36 as 3 into 6, 52 as 5 into 2. If I multiply these two numbers, what I'm getting? Is it 180? Yes. Same I'm going to do here. 2 into 8 into 1 into 7. Is it equal to 112? Yes. Okay. So now I got my answer very clearly. 2 into 9, that is 18. 18 into 4 into 1, that is going to be 72. That's option A. Simple. Nothing much to do. Now, in this question, whatever I'm going to do, I am not going to spend more than 2 minutes. I'm not even 2 minutes. I'm not going to spend more than 1 minute. If I understand the logic, I am going to get my answer in a minute. If I don't understand the logic, then there is no point wasting time on this question. This one. What is the answer? I got S, A, M, S, U, N, and G. S is 19, A is 1, M is what? 13, S is what? 19. I am going to check the arrangement over here. It is 14, so minus 5. It is 6, so plus 5. It is 8, so minus 5. It is 24, so plus 5. So everything is going minus 5, plus 5, minus 5, plus 5, minus 5. So L is 12, I is 9. So L is 12, so minus 5 is going to be 7, plus 5 is going to be 14. So 7 and 14, is there in any option? So first is eliminated, second is fine, third is eliminated, fourth is fine. So answer comes out to be option B. Understood? So are we going to take a lot of time in this? No. This one. In a certain coded language, do re me means he's late, fa me la means she's early, so ti do means he leaves soon. And what is the meaning of late? What is going to be the answer? Do re me means he's late. Fa mela means she is early. What is common in both? Is. Is. So in coded language, what is common? May. So it means may represents is. So may cannot be the answer. Right. If I look at this, he leaves soon, he is late. What is common? He. Okay. And so T do re may. So what is common? Do or do, whatever it is. So do means he. So late means what? Re. Have we got the answer? Yes. Understood? This one. Now, basically, what is the approach of these kind of questions? Look, how many alphabets are here? Five. How many digits are here? Five. How many alphabets are here? Six. How many digits are here? Six. It means one of the digits is going to be corresponding to one specific alphabet. So if I say O, O is what? 9 over here. So if you see, O must be 9 over here. Is it there? Yes. 2 else represents 2, 4. So it means L is equal to 4. And this is what this question is actually trying to tell us. Now W represents what? 0. So W represents what? 0. So all the options are talking about 0. 0 is same, 6 is same. Now I am going to check for L. L is what? 4. So it means this option is rejected. Right. So I got first three letters. Now next one is going to tell me the answer. Now C. C is going to be what? In comma C is 1. So C is going to be 1. So this option is also eliminated. Now, in this question, actually, I need to check because all the options, there is a fourth option called none of these. So I actually need to check. Okay, so after C, I got O. O is 9, fair point. Then M, E. M is what? M is what? 2. That's not there. So it means option B is rejected. A is rejected. C is rejected. So answer of this question is going to be none of these. Understood? Anyone has any doubt in this? This one. What's the answer? Fraction is coded as this. Geometry, how geometry will be coded as. So what we are going to do? We are going to take the same approach that we have taken so far, that write it in the corresponding numbers. F is what, 6, uh, R is what, 18, is what, 1, this is what, 3, this is what, 20, rest I'm not worried about. I got B O Y B. So B is what, 2, O is what, uh, 15, Y is what, 25, B is what, uh, 2, um, U is what, uh, 21. So basically, in the first letter, there is a decrement of 4. In the next letter, there is a decrement of 3. In the next letter, there is a decrement of 2. In the next letter, there is a decrement of 1. And after that, directly, there is going to be increment of 1. So there is no increment of 0. So starting with -4, then -3, then -2, then -1, then +1, +2, +3, +4. So G minus 4. So G minus 4 is going to be what? C. This is what I'm getting. So first letter, second letter, two letters are same. In the first one, I'm going to do -4. In next one, I'm going to do -3. In next one, I'm going to do -2. So two letters before O. Which letter is this? That is M. So this option is gone. This option is also gone. Now M. M, one letter before M is going to be what? L. That is already there. Then E. Next letter of E is going to be F. So that is going to be here. So this is eliminated. So answer directly comes out to be option C. Relaxing bunny, are you getting a hold of it? What is the approach? Always write alphabets in the corresponding numbers. You are going to get the answers very quickly. And what I generally do, generally I remember all the corresponding numbers. Still then when I go to write the exam, I write all the alphabets and their corresponding numbers so that I don't have to think about it. This one, P-A-G-E-S-O-R-E. So what is P? P is 3. What is E? E is at the rate, right? So E is at the rate. So in only option 4 is gone. P is 3. That is here. P is what? 3. E is what? At the rate. If you can see, E is what? At the rate. A is what? Percent. So A is what? Percent. S is what? 8. So that gives us option C. Got the answer. This one, if mat is coded as 34, jam is coded as 24 in a certain language, then how would the word aim be coded in the same language? M is 13, A is 1, T is 20. What is the coding? 34. So what is the sum? 34. If I talk about jam, what is J? 10. What is A? 1. What is M? 13. This comes out to be 24. What is it here? 24. It means what is the code? Code is going to be summation of all the alphabets. So A is 1, I is 9, M is going to be what? 13. So my sum of all three numbers is going to be 23. So my code is going to be 23. That's going to be option C. So this is how we are going to have the approach of the questions of coding decoding in any of the exams. Remember that your job is to know all the corresponding alphabets. And with this, the things are going to be extremely easy for you. Now, if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. None. So that's it. We are done. Take care. Bye bye.